Hello and welcome to More Bikes. Today I have a special ride. I'm riding around Lake Como on a Moto Guzzi. This is going to be awesome. Back at the Moto Guzzi factory in Mandello. It's beautiful, but the road itself, it's not absolutely amazing. It's not like crossing a mountain pass, but the views are just stunning. Lovely little villages with cafes and all sorts of touristy stuff that you want. And beautiful lakeside views. The mountains rise just vertically from the shore. It's a stunning ride, and to do that on Moto Guzzi, even better. The 85 TT is just the ticket for it. Obviously, most of it is very slow riding, so you can't really test the bike. I think I was lucky to hit 50 miles an hour there, but it's lovely. It's a lovely bike, lovely route, lovely place to celebrate motorcycles. If you're ever in this neighborhood, I would thoroughly recommend having a look around the lake. I'll put the GPS map on the website if you want to have a look